BYD stock analysis, massive update for Monday. Am I buying now is the question, which I'll be breaking down in this quick 1-minute video. Now here's the thing, having done well over 45,000 videos in 5 years, I'm the only one in this space, in this world, that's done this for 5 years straight, documented everything. No one else has come even close, and especially with BYD, with my hard time from swing idea that I've got here, it's been so Gucci, it's been so freaking on point. Here's when I called it out.
As long as there's a shift.
This is like a swing weekly that I called out 4 months ago on 23rd of March, almost 5. And since then, it's been just kind of doing its thing, which I've also looked to kind of deliver and buy more on the lower time frame chart. So currently how things are looking like is very good. Well, again, it depends. It's very subjective whether this is good or bad. But for me, actively, I'm looking to buy more. But does that mean that I'm randomly going to start buying? Well, absolutely freaking not. Maybe if the price does correct itself down and then shows me a shift from here, then yeah, sure, maybe then. But right now, it's not it. And I will continue to keep you updated. So that's how BYD is looking like. And in the meantime, all I'm doing is just certainly waiting for more rules to be met. So let me know what is your opinion on this. And if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, and just click the first link in the description. I'll keep you updated.